Good afternoon, family. Yes, I said family. I said family because we are here joined together in unity fighting for the same goals. Our pain makes us family. Us hurting together brings us closer together to fight for something better.
And these walkouts have been criticized. They've been told that it is a disruption to the educational process. And I say to them, the real disruption to the educational process is staring down the barrel of a gun.
Our elected officials have seen American after American drop from a bullet. And instead of waking up to protect us, they have been hitting the snooze button. But we're here to shake them awake.
Inaction is no longer safe, and to that we say, no more. We are going to make this the voting issue. When politicians say that your voice doesn't matter because the NRA owns them, we say, no more. When politicians send their thoughts and prayers with no action, we say, no more.
All across the nation, we are going to be a great generation.
We will get rid of these public servants that only serve the gun lobby, and we will save lives. You are those heroes. We're getting out to every election. Democracy will not flourish, but it can and it will. So, I say to those politicians that say change will not come, I say we will not stop until every man, every woman, every child, and every American can live without fear of gun violence, and to that I say, no more. Thank you, I love you all, God bless all of you, and God bless America. We